how to share Instagram Reels link on WhatsApp. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to share Instagram Reel link to WhatsApp. After you open up now your phone like this, now go and open up your Instagram. So after you open your Instagram like this, now go and search for the reel. As you can see now, tap on this reel section. So now go and search for the reel that you want to share to your WhatsApp. All you have to do now, let's say now I want to share the link of this reel to my WhatsApp. Let's say I'll use this one. So now tap on this, as you can see now, tap on this share button. After you tap on the share button, now tap on this copy link to copy the link of the Instagram reel. So now I copy the link of this Instagram link. So now all you have to do now, close your Instagram and go and open up your WhatsApp. After you open your WhatsApp like this, now go to this update. After you come to this update, now tap on this pencil icon. So in this session now, all you have to do now, go and paste in your link like this. Long press your hand and tap on this paste button. So now allow it to finish loading like this now. As you can see now it load now the Instagram reel. Now here is the Instagram reel. All you need to do now, as you can see now like this now, you can tap on this next button to share the Instagram reel link on your WhatsApp. So now whoever now open up now, as you can see now, if I tap on this now share button, so now whoever now tap on this, as you can see now link, as you can see now whoever now tap on this link, it will take him to my, as you can see now, reel on Instagram. That's it guys on how to share Instagram reel on WhatsApp. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.